Hello, this is Letitia Brown, and welcome to my island, which is called New York City Fashion Landmarks. Unfortunately, my avatar looks like a ghost right now, and that's not on purpose. Not sure if it's the size of my island, but I'm doing some research to try to figure this out. I can tell you I went to the Universal campus and went over to the Avatar station and added Ghana, Africa, and Lenox, Europe to my inventory. From Kitely, I chose the island with 4 regions and used Zadaro and picked the city OAR. I'm hoping I can get this to represent New York City. I'm still at a pretty basic starting point, but I thought this could be a great atmosphere for my students to discover New York City fashion landmarks during their first year experience. And if you just take a look around a little bit, you will see that it looks very similar to New York City, and I'll do some work to hopefully make it very engaging for the students. Thank you.